Robbie, following years of escalating opioid deaths and many thousands of fatal overdoses in Chicago and the suburbs, tonight there is what may be a glimmer of hope in the latest data analyzed by the ABC7 I-Team. In Cook and DuPage counties, there have been reductions in overdose deaths, and other suburban counties have leveled off, possibly the products of significant anti-drug PR campaigns and the use of overdose reversing drugs.
I'm happy to say that we've had a 24% decrease in the number of deaths due to overdoses.
Tonight, the DuPage County coroner with some good news about this chronically bad problem. Opioid painkillers, in most cases, found to have been laced with illicit fentanyl, and for the last several years across Metro Chicago, overdoses have taken thousands of lives.
In 2022, we had 150, and last year we had 114. And though I don't consider this a victory lap, I do think that it's a significant downturn and something for us to be happy about.
DuPage isn't alone. In Cook County last year, there were still 1,811 opioid deaths, but that was a 9.5% decrease, according to the medical examiner, the lowest count since 2020. Will and Lake counties report about the same numbers in each of the past 2 years, while McHenry has a slight uptick, 30 overdose deaths in 2023, an increase from 28 the previous year. While the glimmer of hope exists in some areas here, nationally it is a different story.
And maybe they're slightly going down, but not enough to declare any kind of success. A lot of it has to do with the availability of Narcan.
When DuPage coroner Richard Jorgensen took office in 2012, there were 38 annual overdose deaths. Even with a decline tonight, DuPage is still looking at 114, and he says it remains a problem.
If there were 114 gunshot deaths in DuPage County, we would be screaming about this on every newscast. So if we're still losing 100+ people in DuPage County every year due to this problem, I think we still have a serious problem.
In DuPage County, the coroner says one statistic has him especially hopeful. He says the age range of overdose victims used to be from older teenagers to people in their early 20s. Now, he says, most drug deaths are people in their 30s and 40s. Authorities say they hope that shows fewer young people are even starting to use hard drugs, and that the message is being received earlier that street drugs usually contain fentanyl and are likely to kill. Some people, though, are not hearing that message.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.